Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll discuss one question of labor cost where we are required to calculate amount of wages based on overtime. When a worker performs overtime, management provides him wages at extra rate, which is higher than normal rate. In that situation, how to calculate the amount of wages, that we'll be discussing in this question. Calculate normal overtime and total wages payable to a worker from particulars given below. Day Monday, hours worked 10 hours. Tuesday, hours worked 9 hours. Wednesday, 8 hours. Thursday, 12 hours. Friday, 9 hours. Saturday, 4 hours. Normal working hours, it will be paid rupees 8 per day. Normal rate rupees 50 per hour. Overtime rate up to 9 hours per day, single rate. Beyond 9 hours a day, double rate. That means if worker performs overtime up to 9 hours, then he will be paid overtime wages based on normal wages. But overtime is more than 9 hours, then he will be paid double rate. Let us start computation. All days are given here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. They have given actual hours worked. They also said normal working hours is 8 per day. So Monday normal hours 8, Tuesday 8, Wednesday 8, Thursday 8 hours, Friday 8 hours, Saturday considering half day 4 hours. Actual hours worked we are required to record now. Monday 10 hours. Now we have to record hours worked at normal rate. On Monday, hours worked 10 hours. Normal hours are 8. So at normal rate, 8 hours. Tuesday, hours worked 9 hours. Normal is 8 hours. Wednesday, 8 hours. Thursday, 8 hours, Friday 8 hours, Saturday 4 hours. Normal rate rupees 50 per hour, normal rate rupees 50 per hour, overtime rate up to 9 hours per day, single rate, beyond 9 hours, double rate. On Monday, there is total work of 10 hours. Out of that, 8 hours will be considered as what? At normal rate. 9th hour will be also considered as normal rate because up to 9 hours, normal rate is applicable. So it will be considered for single rate. The 10th hour is beyond 9 hours, so it will be considered for double rate. So for that 10th hour, 1 hour, rate will be doubled. Tuesday, hour works 9 hours, normal 8 hours, so 1 hour is overtime, but it is up to 9th hour, so rate will be single rate. Wednesday, normal hours are 8 and actual hours are also 8. So there will not be any overtime. Thursday, total hour works 12 hours. Normal hours are 8 hours. So for that 9th hour, which is overtime, single rate will be applicable. Then 10th hour, 11th hour, 12th hour. That is additional 3 hours are there, which is beyond 9 hours. So double rate will be applicable. Friday, actual hour worked 9 hours, means 1 hour is overtime. It is up to 9 hours, single rate. Saturday, there is no overtime. This is how we have bifurcated overtime hours considering the parameter of up to 9 hours and beyond 9 hours. Let us take now column total. So total hours worked 52 hours. At normal rate, wages will be paid 44 hours. Single rate, normal rate 4 hours. Double rate 4 hours. Normal rate is given rupees 50 per hour. Double rate, it will be rupees 50 multiplied by 2. It will be 100 rupees. 44 hours at normal rate, rupees 50 per hour. Single rate 4 hours, rupees 50 per hour. Double rate 4 hours, at double rate 100 rupees. So we got now hours, we got rate. We'll do multiplication to get the amount of wages payable. So at normal rate, it is 2200, single rate 200, and at double rate, it is rupees 400. For calculation of total wages, we are required to add all these three amounts. $2,200 plus 200 plus 400. So it is rupees 2,800. In this question, we have learned how to calculate overtime hours, how to value them depending upon the parameters, and calculate the final amount of wages of the worker. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.